Hello and welcome to 6th grade math. This is my introduction video. I am hoping that all of you will watch this. In fact, you need to watch this. This will give you more information about the course in general, more about your instructor, and some information on your first assignment. A little bit about me. As you can see, some of my hobbies. I enjoy spending time with my family and friends. I like to run and go do some weightlifting, being outdoors, and I do enjoy baking. Anything to keep me busy. It's pretty rare that I have free time, so when I do, I try to take full advantage. I grew up in Frankfort, and that's where I graduated. I then went to Kansas State University to get my bachelor's degree in elementary education, and then on to Fort Hays State, where I earned my master's degree in instructional technology. Some pictures here. My family is on the one side, my brother, my sister, my mom, and my nephew, and then my fiance and myself in the other picture. We're getting married in August. A little bit more about this course and what I want you to learn. For some more in-depth objectives and the objectives that are tied directly to the math, I want you to go to the syllabus, which is linked here. I have those listed out very detailed, and they're all right there. But some overarching objectives and some goals I have for you. I just want you to gain a deeper understanding of 6th grade math concepts. And while doing so, I want you to incorporate technology into your learning of math, as this is an online course. So that's kind of unique, maybe different than some of your previous math courses. Because it's online, you get to do both. You get to kind of learn some more about technology and math at the same time. Finally, I want you to collaborate, share, and learn from your peers through meaningful conversation and observation. These are important and something that you will focus on with each and every assignment and discussion. So it's a big part of your course, and I want you to just be prepared to take time to look at your peers' work and reflect on it and maybe compare how they did things similar to yours or different. That will help deepen your understanding of the concepts. A little bit of information about your grades here. Here's kind of how our points are broken down. Just for participation, and this includes a weekly webinar, you get 50 points total for that. That doesn't sound like a lot, but it will be a big chunk of your grade. So it's important that you are hopping on each week to do the webinar, which you'll get more information about that from the syllabus, but each week you have a webinar that you need to watch and you need to participate in. You have weekly assignments that go right along with the information you learned from the webinar. Again, that's an important part as well. That's 100 points. Quizzes, which I consider those exit tickets, you'll have those once a week as well. They go along with the webinar content, thus the assignment content, and then it moves into the exit ticket. At the end of each module, you have an exam, and then there will be one project this year. It's called Vacation Project, and it'll be fun, and it will be utilizing all the things you've learned. But I'll give you more information on that when the time comes. Something I want you to always keep at the forefront of your thought is don't struggle through things and beat yourself up. Always ask questions if you need to. If you've looked through the materials I've provided and you still have questions, I want you to contact me as soon as you can. I'm usually very close to my email, and I will never go more than 24 hours without replying to you. So here's my email at the bottom, which is also listed in the syllabus should you need it there. Now on to your assignment 1. I'll move myself over here so you can see a little better. What you're going to be doing is creating an introduction video. I hope that I've provided you a little bit of information about me, and I want to know more about each and every one of you, but more importantly, I want you to learn more about your classmates. It's a very unique setup here because it's an online course, and so you don't get that face-to-face interaction. So I still want you to have time to learn about your classmates. You're going to use Screencast-O-Matic or Nimbus, and you're going to create a video of yourself. First side note here, if you are unfamiliar with Screencast-O-Matic or Nimbus, you can go to my course site or to the syllabus, and there's a linked tutorial there. So please pursue that should you need some more direction. In the video that you create, you're going to include the following information. I want to know who you are. What's your name? Tell me more about you. Maybe about your family, kind of how I provided some pictures there. Where are you from? Maybe you can go more in depth with that. Maybe you've gone to school in a different place before and now you're going to a new place. So however much information you feel comfortable providing there. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? This could include sports, it could include hanging with friends, whatever it is, I want to know more about that. What are you most excited for in this course? What makes you most nervous about this class? This could be the math itself, it could be the fact that it's an online course, it could be the collaboration part, whatever it is. Maybe you have a really busy schedule. Any of this can be included right there. Tell me what you're thinking. Finally, what do you use technology for the most? And this doesn't have to be school related. Maybe you use it to connect with your friends. Maybe you use it for social media. Whatever it is, I want to know a little bit more about that. You do not have to create a Google slide presentation to go with this. However, you are totally free to do that if you want. If you just want to video yourself the whole time and explain this, I'm totally okay with that. But you are welcome to do a Google slide or a Powtoon or Prezi, whatever it is, if you want to do that. This assignment is worth 50 points. You must create your own video, and then you have to watch 5 classmates' videos and reply to them. So you have 25 points for your video and then 5 points for each reply. Share this on Google Communities under the Assignment 1 Intro Video tab, which should be fairly easy to find. Again, collaboration is very important here. The purpose of this is to get to know your classmates better. So, and you want to introduce yourself to your teacher as well. Even though this is an online course, I want to be able to learn more about each and every one of you. So I want to take the time to do that. Again, if you have questions about anything, please contact me as soon as you can. I'm happy to meet with you, whether it be over email or in my office, whatever it is. So reach out to me should you need to. Thank you so much. I'm excited for this course, and I'm excited to watch your videos. Have a great day.